Hi families, happy week 4. Hope you're having some good family time. I'm wearing my Aztec shirt in honor of missing sports. So for week 4, we ran out of letters, so we're going to do blends. I'll tell you what that means in a second. The first page is your sight word tracing. Your words for this week, one is there and the other one is will. Your next page is going to be your sight word will. So you could write a sentence like, will you be my friend? And then add a question mark at the end because that's a question. And then draw that picture. Your next page is for the word there. This is not there like, is this their jacket? This there is a location. So I always remember this because if I cover up the T, it's here. And here is also a location. So you could say, there is the park, or the ball is over there, and then you would draw a picture after you finish your sentence. Okay, we're going to talk about blends. Blends are when you put two letters together and they blend, the sounds blend. So it's different than like TH or SH like we've talked about that are at the bottom of your alphabet chart. These are called digraphs, CH, because you don't say ka-ha, you say ch, sh. So these are called digraphs because they make a new sound. Blends don't make a new sound, they just blend their sounds together. So crib would go under CR. This is a crab, CR. Oh no, that egg has a little a crack in it, so it's going to go under the CR. I was wondering if it was break or crack, because I had to read it, sorry. I'm trying to read backwards. Doesn't always work. Broccoli, BR, brush, BR, bread, BR, crown, CR, broom, BR. These are the blends DR and FR. So fries over here, dream, dragon, frog, drum, fruit, dragonfly, frame, FR. Here we go. Again, GR and PR, green, prize, gravy, pretzel, price, grave. Did I do that? Price over here, grave over here, present over under the PR, grapes on the GR side. Last language arts paper for this week. We're working with OT words. Last week we were working with OG words. So here we go. Pot, P, ot, OT, and then the kids would write POT. She has polka dots on her dress, so it's a dot, ot. This is a special kind of bed called a cot, ot. He picked up a potato, it looks like, and it was really hot, ot. The ladybug has a spot, spot. So again, if you don't have scissors, just draw lines and then have the kiddos write the words. All right, Monday's math, tracing numbers and letters. Tuesday's math is modeling how to count to 20. And what they want the students to know from this chapter is that it doesn't matter if the objects are in a circle, in a pile, in a line, it still equals 20. When they're in a line, it's easier for us to count, but it doesn't matter how they're formed, it always equals 20, obviously, if there are 20 objects. Count and write to 20, more of the same, just making sure they know how to write the number 20. Make sure that they are putting a space in between the 20s, please. Okay, this one is my favorite math lesson, but it takes a really long time. So basically, what it wants you to do out of all these pretty dots, it wants you to count the dots and put the number beneath. So this would be 14, 12, 19, 16, you get the drill. And then out of these numbers, how do you order them? Well, the lowest one is 11, so you would do 11 first, then 12, 13, 14, all the way up through 20. Again, the directions are at the bottom. On the back page, they're just writing to 20. They should be good about this because they do it all the time. I have them trace over the numbers instead of just filling in the blanks because they get thrown off by that. Again, I know that if you guys read the directions, you would be able to figure this out. I'm just trying to make it easier because I feel like at this time, we need things to be as easy as possible. I know that's what I need in my life. So trying to figure out how to make it easier. If you guys have feedback, though, go ahead and privately message me on Dojo or email me about, what I could be doing to make it as easy as possible for you. I'm trying my best. I definitely miss you guys, and, I wish I'd rather be at school, but I'm glad that the social distancing is working, and hopefully we'll be able to get back there. Okay, Friday's math, here we go. Comparing numbers to 20. And there are just problems on the bottom for them to draw out. All right, thanks so much for listening to the directions for week 4. Pencil box check. Is your pencil box in a safe place? Is your Chromebook in a safe place? I sure hope so.